Hola, gente hermosa, and welcome to my channel. My name is Faith, and as seen by today's title, we're going to be unboxing my January subscription box from Cloth and Paper. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into it. I just received it today, and typically what comes on the inside is what's inside, but I already know what's inside. And if you are watching this video and this is the first subscription box you're watching, I'd rather you be surprised. So we're not going to look at this until we need to refer to it. So I have the subscription box in the size A5 with the ring punch. So everything in here should be for that. Okay, and then we have this, which doesn't have any punches at all. So to my knowledge, this is something you can like hang up on the wall or even cut down to fit whatever size planner you have. But I am probably gonna hang this up. It says how you love yourself is how you teach others to love you, and it's by Rupi Kaur, and we love her over here. Okay, we love her poetry book, so we love her over here. All right, and we see a lot of goodies. So let's start with this. So inside here, we have a frosted March 2021 card. And we have this journaling card that says, be thankful for what you have and fearless for what you want. We have this one that says, I guess it's pronounced Swanya. And it says an adjective, prepared with an elegance, attained through care for the finer details. And then we have another monthly card, and this is also from March 2021. So next we have these AM and PM cards, which I'm guessing these are just like journaling cards for AM and PM and routines. At least that's how I would use them. So we have a whole bunch of cards for the PM, and then we have a whole bunch for AM, which is actually pretty good because if you have multiple planners like me, you can put more, you can put one in each or whatever. Okay, so next we have these appointment sticky notes. And they just look like this. They are 3 by 3, and it just has the appointment, the date, time, where, who, and why. And yeah, pretty simple. Next, we have the appointment notepad. And it looks like this. It has white writing, and it says appointment, date, time, location, contact, appointment details, follow up with no, yes, date, and then notes at the bottom. This is pretty nice as well. I think I'm going to give one to my sister. I don't think I need both the notepad and the sticky notes. Okay. All right. So next we have this dashboard. And like I said, this is for A5 with the rings. So the ring punch. And it has 3 dots. This is really nice. And it says there's luxury and simplicity on the side with cloth and paper there. Then we have this dashboard as well. And it just has 2021 up here. It still says like there's luxury and simplicity, cloth and paper. And then it says a dream written down with a date becomes a goal broken down into steps becomes a plan backed by action makes your dreams come true, by Greg Reed. And this is really nice and simple. I'm loving the monotone. But then we have this one, which I'm particularly excited about because my A5 is more on the brown side, neutral tone colors right now for February, and this will go perfect inside of there. And I am not about to read all these tiny words, but yeah, it just have tiny words written over here and right here, and then yeah, so I would consider this like an abstract dashboard. But yeah, this is really nice. And then we have the monthly page tasks. Let me see. It's for every month. So yeah, this one has January. Oh, okay. So then it goes from yeah, so it has every single month. Yeah, every single month. Yeah. And it just has the calendar right here, reminders, and then priorities. Does it have anything on the back? And then on the back it has notes. Next, we have the purchase trackers, which is actually going to be good for me in particular because I needed some for my A5, and I'm glad I didn't purchase any before, you know, the sub box. Okay, and this is what I'm most excited about. So these are the horizontal weekly undated inserts, and they are a Monday starts with graph notes, priorities, and weekly memo. So let's go ahead and look at this. So it looks like this as the regular dates. Has Monday through Friday on this left side with the month at the top and week of with the grid notes on the side. And then we have Saturday and Sunday. And then down here is the memo, priorities, and next week. And it just repeats. Which I am glad that they gave us undated inserts because currently in my A5, all I use is undated inserts because I'm kind of testing the waters with different inserts, except for I do have dated daily pages, but I still use weekly pages as well. So yeah, all my weeklies are undated, and this is great because you can use this whenever. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and read off on this just to be sure I covered everything. So it just says what's inside. So the horizontal weekly inserts, the half page monthly inserts, the the purchase tracker inserts, the paint swatch dashboard. And okay, so that's what the brown one says. May your streets be paved with gold. Okay, and then we have the magazine cover dashboard, the trio dashboard, the appointment sticky notes, the appointment notepad, the AM PM minimal task card set, and then we have the journaling cards, which was the thankful quote, the Soigné quote card, the month view, and then the other month view clear card. So yeah, that was all that was inside. So thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope that you all have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and please be safe. I love you all, and see you on the next video.